Try this if you have dark spots, uneven skin tone and hyperpigmentation. Dark spots and hyperpigmentation can be caused by many factors, including aging and certain health issues. Usually, hyperpigmentation is caused by liver malfunctioning, while dark spots are caused by injuries, acne, and other external influences. Fortunately, you can effectively treat these problems in a natural way. For that purpose, we have the most effective, safe, and completely natural methods which will help to eliminate dark spots. 1. Raw potato. Raw potatoes are a great source of vitamin B, which can stimulate the renewal of epithelial cells, and nicotinamide, known for its potent whitening activity. Moreover, potatoes can help you to eliminate the dark circles around your eyes. Cut the potato in circles, and use them to rub the problematic areas for 10 minutes, several times a day. If you have too dry skin, make sure to previously soak the potato in water. 2. Turmeric. As we all know, turmeric has numerous health benefits. It has powerful anti-inflammatory properties and it is excellent for the skin. It can improve the skin tone, and reduce or eliminate the pigmented spots. All you have to do is to apply a turmeric mask once or twice a week, and you will experience amazing results. 3. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar can revitalize and clean the skin due to its abundance of natural ingredients. Apply apple cider vinegar with a cotton ball on the problematic areas on your skin 2 to 3 times a day. In order to obtain the best results, you should repeat this procedure for 1 month. Note, if you have sensitive skin, you may experience a tingling sensation, so make sure to dilute it with